The night belongs to the tawny owl. As the sun dips below the horizon and darkness envelops the forest, the tawny owl awakens. This nocturnal raptor, with its mottled brown and grey feathers, blends seamlessly into the shadows. Its large, round eyes, adapted for low light, pierce through the gloom, searching for the slightest hint of movement. The tawny owl is a master of the night, a silent sentinel of the dark hours. Under a canopy of stars, it begins its ghostly patrol. The forest, bathed in the soft glow of moonlight, becomes its hunting ground. With wings outstretched, it glides effortlessly through the trees, its flight almost imperceptible. The tawny owl's feathers are specially adapted to muffle sound, allowing it to approach its prey with deadly silence. As it moves through the night, it is both a guardian and a predator, maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. This is a creature of stealth and precision, a silent hunter of the deep woods. Its acute hearing allows it to detect the faintest rustle of leaves or the slightest movement of a mouse. The tawny owl's ears are asymmetrically placed, giving it an unparalleled ability to pinpoint the exact location of its prey, even in complete darkness. Its sharp talons and beak are perfectly designed for capturing and dispatching its quarry. Few sounds stir in the darkness, but the tawny owl hears them all. The forest at night is a symphony of subtle noises, from the rustling of leaves to the distant call of a fox. The tawny owl, with its heightened senses, is attuned to every sound. It listens intently, its head swiveling to catch the faintest whisper of movement. In this world of shadows and silence, the tawny owl reigns supreme. The tawny owl is a patient predator. It can sit motionless for hours, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Its patience is a testament to its hunting prowess. The owl's eyes, unblinking and focused, scan the forest floor for any sign of life. When it spots its prey, it moves with lightning speed, swooping down with deadly accuracy. The tawny owl's hunting strategy is a blend of patience, precision and power. It waits, perched high, listening for any sign of movement. From its vantage point, the tawny owl has a clear view of its surroundings. It can see and hear everything that happens below. The owl's keen eyesight allows it to spot even the smallest of creatures, while its acute hearing can detect the faintest of sounds. This combination of height, vision, and hearing makes the tawny owl an unparalleled hunter of the night. Its prey, unsuspecting voles, mice, and even birds, are unaware of the danger lurking above. The forest floor is a dangerous place for small creatures, especially when the tawny owl is on the hunt. With its silent flight and sharp talons, the owl can capture its prey before they even realize they are in danger. The tawny owl's diet is varied, and it plays a crucial role in controlling the populations of small mammals and birds in the forest. The owl's keen senses are tuned to the subtle rhythms of the night. Every rustle, every movement, every sound is a potential clue to the presence of prey. The tawny owl's ability to navigate and hunt in the darkness is a marvel of nature. It is a creature perfectly adapted to its environment, a true lord of the night. As the night progresses, the tawny owl continues its patrol, a silent guardian of the forest, ensuring the balance of nature is maintained. The tawny owl's hearing is extraordinary. Imagine hearing a mouse rustling leaves from 1,000 paces. For the tawny owl, this is reality. Its ears, concealed beneath feathers, are incredibly sensitive, picking up the faintest sounds. A world of whispers becomes to the owl a symphony of clues. This exceptional hearing is crucial for hunting in near darkness. Sound becomes a map, guiding the owl to its next meal. Every rustle, every squeak is a beacon in the night. The tawny owl possesses a unique advantage. Its ears are asymmetrical. This fascinating feature is not just a random quirk of nature, but a finely tuned adaptation that gives the tawny owl an edge in its nocturnal hunting endeavors. Unlike most animals whose ears are symmetrically placed, the tawny owl's ears are positioned at different heights on its skull. This asymmetry is a marvel of evolutionary engineering, allowing the owl to excel in its role as a stealthy predator of the night. One ear is set higher on the skull than the other. This unique arrangement might seem trivial at first glance, but it plays a crucial role in the owl's ability to hunt effectively. The higher ear is adept at capturing sounds from above, while the lower ear is more attuned to sounds coming from below. This dual-level hearing system allows the tawny owl to create a three-dimensional auditory map of its surroundings. This difference may seem insignificant, but it is the key to the owl's hunting prowess. In the dark, where vision is limited, sound becomes the primary sense for locating prey. The tawny owl's asymmetrical ears enable it to detect the faintest rustle of a mouse in the underbrush or the flutter of a bat's wings. This heightened auditory perception is what makes the tawny owl such an efficient hunter. The uneven placement of the ears allows the owl to pinpoint the location of sounds with remarkable accuracy. By tilting its head and adjusting the position of its ears, the owl can determine the exact direction and distance of its prey. This ability to triangulate sound is akin to having a built-in GPS system, guiding the owl to its target with unerring precision. It's like having built-in headphones that allow for three-dimensional hearing. This sophisticated auditory system is essential for the owl's survival, as it relies on stealth and surprise to catch its prey. The tawny owl's silent flight, combined with its acute hearing, makes it a formidable predator in the nocturnal world. A sound reaches the higher ear a fraction of a second before it reaches the lower ear. This tiny time difference is enough for the owl's brain to calculate the vertical position of the sound source. The owl's brain processes these auditory signals with incredible speed and accuracy, allowing it to react almost instantaneously to the movements of its prey. This minuscule time difference is all the owl needs to triangulate the source of the sound. With this precise auditory information, the tawny owl can launch a swift and deadly attack, swooping down on its unsuspecting prey with lethal efficiency. The asymmetry of its ears is a perfect example of how nature's adaptations can give a species a significant advantage in the struggle for survival. The tawny owl's hearing is only half the story. Its eyes, large and forward-facing, are designed for the night. While we stumble in the darkness, the tawny owl sees with a clarity we can only envy. These are not eyes that see in color. Instead, they are optimized for sensitivity, capturing every photon of available light. The slightest movement, a subtle shift in shadow, is enough to alert the owl to the presence of prey. Section 5. Silent, deadly, and precise. The tawny owl is a master of aerial stealth. Its wings, spanning almost a meter, are specially designed to muffle the sound of air passing over them. This adaptation is crucial for ambushing prey. Weighing in at around half a kilogram, the tawny owl is a powerful predator. Its talons are sharp as razors, capable of delivering a swift and silent death. Small mammals, birds, amphibians, and insects all fall prey to this silent hunter. Section 6. Turning on a swivel. One of the most striking features of the tawny owl is its ability to rotate its head. This unique adaptation is not just for show, it serves a critical purpose in the owl's daily life. Unlike humans, who can only turn their heads about 90 degrees in either direction, the tawny owl can turn its head an astonishing 270 degrees. This means it can look almost directly behind itself without moving its body. This incredible range of motion is made possible by the owl's specially adapted vertebrae and blood vessels, which allow for such extreme flexibility without cutting off blood flow to the brain. It can turn its head an astonishing 270 degrees in either direction. This ability is not just a party trick, it is a vital adaptation for survival. In the dense forests where tawny owls live, being able to see in all directions without moving is a huge advantage. It allows the owl to remain perfectly still, blending into its surroundings while keeping a vigilant watch for both predators and prey. This extraordinary flexibility allows the owl to scan its surroundings without moving its body. This is particularly useful during hunting. The tawny owl is a nocturnal predator, relying on stealth and surprise to catch its prey. By keeping its body still and only moving its head, the owl can avoid detection by both its prey and potential threats. This head-turning ability also helps the owl to judge distances accurately, which is crucial when swooping down on a target in the dark. This head-turning ability is not just a party trick. It is a finely tuned adaptation that plays a crucial role in the owl's hunting strategy. When the owl spots potential prey, it can lock its gaze on the target and follow its movements without making a sound. This silent observation is key to the owl's success as a hunter. It is essential for hunting. The tawny owl's ability to rotate its head so extensively allows it to maintain a wide field of vision, even in the pitch-black conditions of the night. This means it can detect the slightest movements of its prey, giving it the upper hand in the hunt. With its body perfectly still, the owl can use its head movements to track prey and judge distances with pinpoint accuracy. This combination of stealth, flexibility and keen vision makes the tawny owl one of the most effective nocturnal hunters in the animal kingdom. Its head-turning ability is a perfect example of how evolution shapes creatures to thrive in their specific environments. Section 7. The owl's whisper. As the owl prepares to strike, it takes to the air. Its flight is a marvel of adaptation, nearly silent. The owl's specially designed feathers work to muffle the sound of air passing over them. This silent approach is crucial for a successful hunt. The owl's prey remains oblivious to the danger until it is too late. The owl swoops down, its talons outstretched, a silent phantom of the night. Section 8. A moment for life. The breeding season for tawny owls begins in late winter, a brief respite from the hunt. The female lays a clutch of 3 to 4 eggs in a tree cavity, often a disused woodpecker hole. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and caring for the owlets. The young owls, covered in downy feathers, are entirely dependent on their parents for food and protection. Section 9. A haunting legacy. The call of the tawny owl, a haunting twit-too, echoes through the night. It is a sound that has inspired folklore and superstition for centuries. But for those who understand the owl's world, it is a reminder of the remarkable adaptations that allow this creature to thrive in the darkness. The tawny owl, a silent hunter, a ghostly presence, a reminder that the night is alive with unseen wonders.